Ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs kala Pynlong ya ka Felicitation of Sports Achievers arja khatnyo arja khapra da ka jingsam khusnam bat ka song pisa ajing yarap shakhna elekai sports naga Jylla kiba job takama bat banwanra ya ka nam ko buram ya ka Jylla house nam arja khatnyo arja khapra kablalong menda ka sngi ka arnyo torek unaitung hapo ususo tham auditorium umintri rangba ka Jylla ukonat sangma ulalong kumukong san hakabalawan banyadan ringkat da sports minister ka Jylla uba bantay dorling do Commissioner and Secretary ka Sports and Youth Affairs Vijay Kumar, Under Secretary ka Director of Sports and Youth Affairs ka Kong W Boot, President ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association uba John F Khashiyeng, Secretary ka MSOA uba Fanny Pariat, ki coaches bat kikenhon yelekai bat kimei kipa kibahiyeng hasem kibalawan man ayman same.
Big hand for them. And now we come to athletics. Athletes, please kindly come forward. Rinalius Ikli, Ritina Hanse, Marso Kimde, Sinshanlang Walang, Pynlong Khubor, and Durga Nartian. Collectively, they will receive a cash prize of 1,50,000.
I would request all of you that let's give a round of applause to each and everyone who's present out here for doing what you have done of making each one of us proud. In this whole process, we also realize that associations have played a very important role. And as was mentioned by the Honorable Minister and also the Commissioner Secretary for Sports, that in the past we have seen that the kind of support that needs to be given was not being given, and the engagement that we need to do with associations and sports persons was not being done at the scale that it should be done. And while I say that, I'm not trying to claim that we are doing a lot. There is a lot more to be done. What we are doing may be just, one step at a time, as mentioned by the Honorable Minister.
Dream the impossible dream, to fight the unbeatable foe, to bear with unbearable sorrow, and to run where the brave dare not go, to right the unrightable wrong, and to love pure and chaste from afar, to try when your arms are too weary, to reach the unreachable star. This is my quest, to follow that star, no matter how hopeless, no matter how far, to fight for the right without question or pause, to be willing to march into hell for a heavenly cause.